Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, The Drift of Akshita. My name is Akshita Joshi, and today I have really total, total fun video for you guys. So I have brought this 10 piece of makeup brushes set from Amazon, and this cost me just for 245 rupees, which is a total yes deal. In this package I have 10 piece of makeup brush set जिसमें 5 brushes eye makeup के हैं and 5 of them are of face makeup. I have opened them already when the package arrived. I have properly isolated them, sanitized them and also washed them to know कि how does it turn after washing. So trust me, इस रिव्यू के बाद आपको कोई भी और रिव्यू नहीं देखना पड़ेगा. So because I am going to cover each and everything related to makeup brushes in this video. I have washed them, so I will tell you इसके bristles first wash के बाद निकलते हैं कि नहीं निकलते हैं, इसकी क्वालिटी कैसी है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो जो ये रिव्यू होने वाला है मेकअप ब्रशेस का, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी टोटल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर रिव्यूज बिकॉज आई विल बी अप्लाइंग मेकअप half of face with these makeup brushes and half the face with my beauty blender. So first of all, talking about the packaging was pretty decent. These brushes came with total 4 layer of packaging. First was cardboard layer, second was bubble wrap, third is this one, and the fourth is this final packaging. So I will also like these, every single brush have a single this plastic जैसा रैप इन इट, तो ये बहुत ही सेफ्टी मेजर्स का टोटल ध्यान रखा गया है. ओपन द ब्रशेस एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. सो देयर वर 3 colors available. First was golden, second was pink, dark pink, and third was these white. So basically I have decided to buy white color because it looks really very classy. See, it looks really classy. And about the quality, all the bristles are totally fine, but okay, let's see. I have not used them yet. Let's see what happens. And these are the eye brushes. These are totally awesome, especially the blending brush. These two are so soft. These are totally soft. Like बिल्कुल भी आपके स्किन पे हार्श नहीं होंगे ये ब्रशेस. So let's start with the makeup now. So I have taken the foundation and I will not do very much also makeup because this is just a review video and I need to tell you guys कि कैसे वर्क कर रहे हैं ये मेकअप ब्रशेस. इज इट वर्किंग परफेक्टली और नॉट. So now as you can see, this side I have blended from the beauty blender and now I will blend it out from the makeup brush. So this is a foundation brush. You can see this is totally straight, like पूरा ऐसे straight है ऊपर से. This foundation brush is also working amazing. एंड ऑल्सो ब्रशेस से मेकअप करने का ना एक एडवांटेज होता है, टाइम बहुत बचता है. या सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. ये साइड ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से किया गया है पूरा, और ये साइड किया गया है ब्रश से. फील से तो ये साइड ज़्यादा फ्लॉलेस लग रहा है एंड लुक वाइज भी ये साइड इज स्टिल गुड. तो फाउंडेशन के लिए फॉर मी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से ज़्यादा ब्रश वर्क. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज अप्लाइंग कंसीलर. Once again I will blend out this side of concealer from beauty blender and this side from makeup brush. Yeah, so before starting I will tell you, ये होता है कंसीलर के लिए ब्रश. मतलब I to think यही होता है because one is the wait, I'm confused between these two, but I think कैसे करती हूँ मैं कंसीलर अप्लाई. Please guys do let me down in comments below कि am I using the right brush or not, because I'm also not professional, so I need to buckle up my knowledge about makeup. So I have applied concealer. I cannot really match the difference between makeup brush से applied वाला and sponge से applied वाला. Yeah, but for concealer I think this one is better. See this one, क्योंकि ये बहुत flawless और matte finish लग रहा है, whereas this side you can still see the pores. Moving forward, I will take a stiff brush and I will apply fixing powder from this. So for fixing powder I do not have any other this क्या कहते हैं makeup brush, तो I need to apply दोनों side इसी से सेम पाउडर से. So powder is done. So now coming on to the eyeshadow, eye makeup. These are the 5 brushes and all of these are in pretty good quality. See, totally perfect. See, so these all brushes are totally worth the price. मुझे मतलब इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो आप 245 रुपीज़ में 10 ब्रशेस मिल रहे हैं, और क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट करोगे. So let's start with the eye makeup. Looks good, right? This one, yeah, this pink. Although it doesn't suit with my outfit, but yeah, let's do it. अब सुनो, first of all, I am not a pro. Don't judge my applying skills. I am just here to show you guys that how these brushes work, and yeah, you get me right. So moral of the story, ये ध्यान मत दो कि कैसे लगाया है, ये ध्यान दो कि क्वालिटी कैसी है ब्रशेस की. अभी तक तो इट इज परफेक्ट. मिरर ऐसे अंदर घुसेड़ देती हूँ अपने आप में, ऐसे मेकअप कर रही हूँ, ऐसे इतने दूर रख के करती हूँ मेकअप, फिर करते 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 इतने अंदर घुस जाता है. लुक्स गुड. मेरे से आई मेकअप तो होता ही नहीं है, बट इन ब्रशेस से थोड़ा हो रहा है. I will just finish this eye also from another makeup eyeshadow brushes which I have already. I cannot do this. ऐसे होता है ना कभी कभी कि आपके पास नई चीज़ आ जाती है तो पुराने का क्रेज़ नहीं होता, पुराना पसंद ही नहीं आता. That is same happening with me. So this is the result. This I have applied from the new makeup brushes set, and this I have done from the old makeup brushes set which I had. According to me, I like this eyes makeup perfectly fine, and this one is not so good. So long thing short, ये जो आई मेकअप के ब्रशेस हैं ये तो टोटली ऐसे हैं. I will apply this brush as a highlighting brush, and I will apply blush from the another brush. Let us complete the whole makeup look. This one is the blush brush which I usually use. So ये side पे I will use this brush. तो भैया ब्लश के लिए तो यही ब्रश मेरे को सही लगा, मेरा पहले वाला. So for comparing the highlighter, I have this old brush. This is very old brush. So देखो, इनमें में तो obviously this brush is looking better than this one. But let's see in the terms of applying. In terms of applying also, this one is better than this one. Talking about this eyeshadow brush, we can use this brush as highlighting our nose area, our chin, like upper lips area also. So the makeup is done. This is how it looks like. Talking about the base, I have applied this side makeup from the brushes and this side from the sponge. So I really think that all these makeup brushes are worth the price, worth everything, because जो बेस आया था it was flawless as you have seen. And talking about the eyeshadow brushes, eyeshadow makeup which is it has done, you can see it yourself. ये side is looking a lot better than this side. So 245 rupees में इतने अच्छे makeup brushes, I will definitely suggest you guys to invest in them, especially beginners का क्या होता है ना, we don't usually want to invest a huge amount on makeup brushes, so you can definitely invest your money in these makeup brushes. So guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram. यहीं पे कहीं पे डांस कर रहा होगा मेरा Instagram handle. Also I have done hashtag 30 days mental health challenge on my Instagram. I post a lot of fun reels and short videos on Instagram. Do not forget to follow me on over there. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting every notification whenever I post a new video. Until then, much love.